Hey guys, so everyone has been talking about this for weeks, maybe for months, but the Nano banana is here. Here you can see it's basically a Gemini 2.5 flash image preview. This is not an official, this is basically a beta. So here's a Sora image generation and editing, incredible character consistency, which I will show you lightning fast. So what you have to do is basically scroll down and click on this, and the link will be in the description as well. So just go down and click the link. And it will basically take you to this basically website, Google AI Studio. And here it is. You can basically start writing. Here you can see Gemini, native image, character consistency, image generation. This is basically Nano banana. So let's see what I have created. So this is the first image I basically created. A guy is riding on a skateboard on a busy New York street. So as you can see, the character consistency is actually here. You can see the jacket, the jumper, is right as in this image, but the face, I mean, this is quite a complex image to make. So the next image was basically me fighting a Mike Tyson. So the haircut is quite similar, but the face looks like Mike Tyson. So this wasn't really a great example. Next image was me riding on a horse on a huge mountain, 80s aesthetic vibe. Image ratio 16:9. So right now you can actually create images 16:9. It is not limited to 2:3 ratio, but this image again looks quite bad. Looks like a cinema poster, but maybe you can find a use case of this as well. Next image is I uploaded this of myself. A guy is at the beach sitting with a laptop on the table in the water. So the image is basically correct, as you can see here, and it's looking quite nice, except the face again. But everything else is next level. I'm quite impressed with Nano banana. And the aspect ratio, I asked for 16:9. Sometimes it creates it correctly, sometimes it doesn't. So you have to just experiment, because this basically came out few hours ago, 1 to 2 hours ago. And here you can see you have 32,000. I mean, I have 32,000 token count. This is limited. You will have to basically make few images, and then you will spend all your tokens, and that's it. Here is another image. I uploaded another face of me, a guy with a broomstick on a busy Compton street. Image aspect ratio 16:9. So here is the image. The image is looking quite nice. Me with a broomstick on a Compton street. Everything is correct, except the 16:9 aspect ratio. Again, and next image is basically the same. I just changed the picture of my face, but here you can see this is a looking quite different, and still the image is not 16:9, but again, it is capable of creating 16:9 images. The character consistency is quite nice, because this is really fast. Here you can see 13 seconds. Other images 34 seconds, 41 second, 91 seconds. So let's create a new image. Let's upload my face, for example this one, and write a prompt. Guy is riding in a car. Let's see. The Nano banana is still thinking. Here you can see the seconds are going, and most likely in few seconds the image will be ready. And let's see. And here it is. It actually looks like 99% like me, not 100%, but still really impressive. This is really fast, and this is new. So I hope they will include this in their Gemini 2.5. Maybe Gemini 3 is coming soon. But here you can see the image was created in 47 seconds. And right now this is free. This is totally free. Just visit the link below, and you can use your image and create anything you want. And this looks amazing. I think this is the best image. Another thing is that you will see under this post that many people are struggling with creating images. So many times it will basically not be able to create, and you have to be really simple, really specific. Don't include any children or any brands. I mean, I used Mike Tyson, so you can use celebrities, but that's basically it. Nano Banana is here. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on AI news, AI alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.